today we're going to bring a flush mount for your TV. Now this one itself, it has a safety feature where this goes behind the TV, it hooks up, and there is a latch that you have to push it down in order to release it, right? If you want to take it off. Now make sure you have the cables prior to setting this up and connecting them, because once it's in there, it's a little flush, and the only way to get it out is taking it out with the actual mechanism. Instructions are simple to follow. Plenty of screws for every single mount pretty much. And we're gonna set it up, see how it works. All right, so this one is the mechanism I was talking about. This goes on the TV itself, and when you wanna take it off, you just push it down, right? All right, here's our TV, and this is a 55, but it could go even higher on this. All you gotta do is make sure you mount these two on the top, and that's pretty much it. The system will automatically go. So get the screws. We're using the existing screws that we had on our last mount that we had. All right, so let me demonstrate how this thing works, all right? So you push them down. This is gonna go against the wall. Make sure that this is to the bottom of it, right? And it locks in place. You guys can see it. It locks in place here. That's how it's gonna lock in. That's how it's gonna lock in, all right? So this is really strong. It's gonna hold on the whole thing. Now, if you wanna release it, you're gonna have to push these ribbons, all right? And it releases the TV.
That's tight.
All right, so this one here. All right, these are the bumpers that we need for the system. So we're all set up already. We're ready to mount the TV. All right, so it's flush. The TV's flush. It's turning on first time. So we got everything. Look at this. Flush here, all around. Perfect fit. So if you don't have room for a large racket, this is a perfect racket for you guys. If you guys want a flush racket just like this, very simple. We use our existing screws. We didn't use the ones that came with it. It was much easier and faster. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.